Lesson: Practical Guidance for Data Collection Compliance. Effective data collection compliance is pivotal for organizations navigating the complexities of data protection laws and regulations. As privacy concerns heighten globally, mastering compliance is not only about adhering to legal standards, but also about building trust with stakeholders. This lesson provides practical guidance for data collection compliance, emphasizing actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and real-world applications. By integrating these elements, professionals can enhance their proficiency and address challenges in data collection and usage. The first step in data collection compliance is understanding the regulatory landscape. Various laws govern data protection, such as the General Data Protection Regulation in the European Union and the California Consumer Privacy Act in the United States. These regulations share common principles, such as lawfulness, transparency, and data minimization. Being well-versed in these principles is crucial. Organizations can use tools like the International Association of Privacy Professionals, Westin Research Center's state law comparison charts, which provide detailed comparisons of global data protection laws to stay updated and ensure their practices align with current requirements. Having a robust data governance framework is essential for compliance. Such a framework provides a structured approach to managing data assets and ensuring legal and ethical use. The data management body of knowledge offers a comprehensive framework that covers data governance, architecture, modeling, and security. Implementing this framework involves defining roles and responsibilities, establishing data stewardship, and creating policies and procedures that reflect compliance requirements. A practical tool for data collection compliance is conducting regular data audits. Data audits assess whether data collection practices align with stated policies and legal obligations. An audit should cover data sources, types of data collected, consent mechanisms, data storage, and sharing practices. For example, a healthcare organization might audit its patient data collection processes to ensure compliance with the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. By identifying gaps and inconsistencies, audits help organizations implement corrective measures proactively. Consent management is another critical aspect of data collection compliance. Organizations must obtain explicit consent from individuals before collecting their data. The use of user-friendly consent management platforms such as OneTrust or TrustArc can streamline this process. These platforms allow organizations to manage consent preferences, provide transparency about data usage, and ensure compliance with regulations like GDPR. For instance, an e-commerce website can use these tools to present clear consent options to users, detailing how their data will be used and allowing them to opt in or opt out easily. To enhance data collection compliance, organizations should implement data minimization principles. This involves collecting only the data necessary for a specific purpose and retaining it only for as long as needed. By doing so, organizations minimize the risk of data breaches and ensure compliance with data protection regulations. A practical application of data minimization can be seen in mobile app development. Developers can design apps to collect only essential user data, reducing the risk of non-compliance and enhancing user trust. Training and awareness programs are crucial for fostering a culture of compliance within organizations. Employees must understand the importance of data protection and their role in ensuring compliance. Effective programs include regular training sessions, workshops, and e-learning modules that cover data protection laws, organizational policies, and best practices. For instance, a financial institution might conduct annual training on data protection, focusing on how employees can identify and prevent potential data breaches. In addition to training, appointing a data protection officer is a practical step for ensuring compliance. A DPO oversees data protection strategies, monitors compliance, and serves as a point of contact for data protection authorities. This role is especially important for organizations processing large volumes of sensitive data, as it ensures accountability and expertise in managing data protection issues. For example, a multinational corporation might appoint a DPO to coordinate compliance efforts across different jurisdictions, ensuring a consistent approach to data protection. Technology plays a significant role in data collection compliance. Implementing advanced data protection technologies, such as encryption and anonymization, can safeguard data against unauthorized access and misuse. Encryption ensures that data is unreadable to unauthorized users, while anonymization removes personally identifiable information, reducing the risk of privacy violations. A case study of a large retailer demonstrated the effectiveness of encryption in protecting customer data during a cyber attack, highlighting the importance of such technologies in compliance efforts. Furthermore, organizations should establish data breach response plans as part of their compliance strategy. These plans outline procedures for detecting, reporting, and mitigating data breaches. An effective response plan includes clear communication channels, predefined roles and responsibilities, and regular testing through drills and simulations. By being prepared, organizations can respond swiftly to breaches, minimizing potential damage and meeting regulatory requirements for breach notifications. Lastly, continuous monitoring and improvement are vital components of data collection compliance. Organizations should regularly review and update their data protection practices to adapt to evolving regulations and emerging threats. This involves staying informed about changes in data protection laws, conducting risk assessments, and leveraging data analytics to identify trends and areas for improvement. By fostering a proactive approach, organizations can maintain compliance and build resilience against future challenges. In conclusion, practical guidance for data collection compliance involves a multifaceted approach that integrates regulatory understanding, governance frameworks, consent management, data minimization, employee training, technology, and continuous improvement. By adopting these strategies and leveraging practical tools, organizations can navigate the complexities of data protection, enhance compliance, and build trust with stakeholders. The principles and practices outlined in this lesson provide a comprehensive roadmap for professionals seeking to excel in data collection compliance, ensuring they are well equipped to address real-world challenges and uphold the highest standards of privacy and data protection.